In this video, I will show you how to change your DNS IP address on Windows 11 or Windows 10. First is we will check our current DNS IP address. We can do this by going to the taskbar. Search for CMD or command prompt. Tick on it or tick open. Enter the command ipconfig/all. This command displays detailed network configuration for all adapters, including IP address, gateway, and DNS. If we look at my LAN adapter settings, we can see here the DNS servers, which is 192.168.1.1. Some of the routers have this default configuration, which DNS servers are the same with the default gateway. In most cases, this will affect your internet access. You will encounter intermittent or very slow connection. We can also see the other network adapter settings like my Wi-Fi. We can see here the DNS servers, which are the public DNS. Now to change the DNS server's IP address, go back to the taskbar. Search for Network Connections. Choose View Network Connections. We can see here my current network adapters. Notice my network adapter name is LAN. If you want to change your network adapter name, then you can check my other video on the link on the description below. I also have the Wi-Fi network adapter. Now choose the network adapter you want to change the DNS servers. In our case, it's the LAN network adapter. Right-click on it. Choose Properties. Alternatively, at the top, we can simply click on the Change Settings of this connection. It will bring us to the same page. Next is choose Internet Protocol version 4. Choose Properties. We are not going to change the IP address. We will only change the DNS, so choose the below option. Tick Use the following DNS server addresses. Now, we are going to enter the DNS server's IP addresses. If you have your own internal DNS server, then enter the IP address. Some companies usually have their own internal DNS. For personal use, we will use the public DNS. For preferred DNS server or the primary DNS, we will use the Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1. Alternate DNS server is the secondary or backup DNS server. We will use the Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. This means if the preferred DNS is unreachable, then it will search for the alternate DNS. For the DNS servers, you can use any public DNS you prefer. Google DNS and Cloudflare DNS are considered secured and stable. Click OK to save the changes. We can now close the window. Now let's check my new network connection settings. Let's go back to the command prompt. Earlier, I'm using the default DNS server, which is 192.168.1.1. Since we changed the DNS, then we will enter the same command, which is ipconfig/all. We can simply hit the up arrow since we run the command earlier. We can now see my LAN network adapter new DNS IP addresses, which are the Cloudflare DNS and Google DNS. We can also check it from the network adapter itself. Right-click on it. Choose Status. Choose Details. We can see here also the new DNS IP addresses we set earlier. We can compare the results just to verify. We did not change my Wi-Fi network adapter settings since it's already configured correctly. I hope by now you know how to change your DNS server's IP addresses. Well, that's all for today's demonstration, and I really hope you liked this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.